Hello. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a Telegram account from your Telegram application in your Android cell phones. For this, first you have to make sure that you have downloaded Telegram application in your Android cell phones. So, for this, open your Telegram application and click on Start Messaging. So, first you have to select the country in which you are living in or in which you want to register your Telegram account. So, when you select the country, it will automatically add the country code here, and now you have to enter your phone number. And then click on the blue arrow here. So, where they will give you a missed call in your phone number, which will receive by a notification. It might take some time. So, when you receive a missed call, you have to enter your name here. And then click on the blue arrow. So, to access Telegram, your contacts, you have to click on the continue so that your contacts will automatically be synced here. So, allow your Telegram to access your contacts and your media as well. So yeah, that's how you can make a Telegram account in your Android cell phones. You will see that Telegram has automatically synced your contacts here. Thank you.